Do you have a speaking voice that you wish could be richer, smoother, and deeper? Have you the kind of voice that you're almost ashamed of when meeting new people and is pulling you back in relationships and at work? There are many factors that determine the sound and shape of our voices, and it's far more than the actual body we were born with. All of our voices have been influenced by the good and bad factors of how we were brought up, influences from friends and family, as well as the media we consumed when younger. But it's highly likely that you have become stuck in ingrained bad habits that are restricting your speech's true power and depth, true color and beauty. This course will take you step by step through the various stages to help you discover the true, rich potential of your own speaking voice. Maybe you're a guy that's past puberty but has a voice that hasn't lowered much and hasn't got any power or depth, or a girl who desperately would like more maturity or huskiness in your speaking voice. Maybe you just want to smooth out your voice to make it more magnetic and intriguing to help attract a partner or get new friends. Or a business person who wants to develop an authoritative voice in the workplace. This course is also aimed at theatrical actors and voiceovers who need to realize other voice styles that they can create on stage or behind the microphone in the voice booth. Develop a deeper voice in 7 days will help you find the true potential of your speaking voice and also help you to boost your confidence to use it with others to help you gain greater success in life, love, and at work. The easy-to-follow exercises included in the course will help you to unlearn your old bad habits with voice, posture, and breathing, and reprogram yourself to enjoy a better, healthier life with a new, vibrant, full-body, deeper voice. We'll bust the biggest myth about deep voices and reveal the 3 main parts of voice generation and how you can enhance your own voice to sound more attractive without sounding false and put on. The course includes sections of banishing tensions and embarrassment that often restrict the full power of the speaking voice, as well as giving you the 3 top coping strategies for boosting your confidence when speaking to others. Look, if you've ever felt jealous of another person's voice and you wish yours could be as rich and self-assured as that person, this course has everything you need over the 7 days to help you learn how to improve it, including the specific exercises I have been taught by experts and have used myself to vastly improve my own voice that's paid huge dividends in my voiceover and presentation work over the years. It really is possible to improve a voice over 7 days and to put you on a path for future improvements in the way you communicate with others. So please join me on this 7-day journey and discover the true potential of your speaking voice.